Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to send emails with Python. Let's get straight into that. To send email with Python we need one library which is called SMTplib. It's built in with Python, so you don't need to install it. So to do that, let's type Python 3. I'm in my terminal here. Let me just update to my Python shell. Now let's import the library we need. Import SMTplib. Now this library will undo everything we need to send email with Python. So let's classify the sender. Let's specify the sender into a variable. I have two emails which are senderging@gmail.com and gingcompany@gmail.com. The first email is going to be used to send, and the second email is the email that we're using to receive the message. senderging@gmail.com. Now this is the email we're going to be using to send for this video, and let's classify the recipient, that means the person receiving the mail. Recipient equals to gingcompany@gmail.com. That should be good. And now let's specify the password. For security's sake, I'm going to blur this out. And after that, we are going to type the subject of the email. Subject equals to, let's just say, test mail. Test mail from Tomi. And then let's classify the body, the text, what we want to send. Let's classify it as text and say I from Tomi. Now we've classified all the fields we need: the person sending the email, the receiving email address, the password, the subject, and the text. Now to configure the email sending, we need to type smtp_server equals to smtplib dot caps letter smtp_ssl. Then we're going to open a bracket and type smtp.gmail.com, and then we're going to put a comma and we're going to write 465, and then we're going to close the brackets. Enter. And we're going to wait for this to do whatever it does. Now you see that was successful, and now we're going to log in with these details: the sender, this Gmail, and then the password of this Gmail. Now to log in, we'll type smtp_server .login. We'll open a bracket and type sender, comma, and then password. This simply means we're logging in with these two details, the sender and password. When we press enter, if it logs in, it should not give us any error, but if it doesn't log in successfully, it should throw us a bell. Now you see it says accepted. That means these two fields we provided, the credentials we provided, are correct. Now that's successfully logged in to that email. Now let's send the email. To do that, we'll say message equals to, open this. Now we're going to specify the message, subject, this, put colon, and then we are going to open the curly bracket and close it immediately. Put this n, do that again, and then open a curly bracket and close it once again, and then now I'm going to close the columns. Then we'll type dot format. Then we're going to open it and type subject, sorry for that, subject, comma, text. Now we're going to close the bracket. Just press enter. Now let's send the email. To do that, we'll say smtp underscore server dot send mail. Then we're going to open the bracket and write sender. Going to the recipient, and then we're sending the message. And then we're going to close this. Now if it doesn't give us any error, then the message is sent successfully. Let's see. It should take a minute. It's sent successfully because it didn't give us any error. It just shows this. It's sent successfully. Now let's close the server by saying smtp underscore server dot close. We've closed the server. We did everything successful. Now this is the code to send an automated email with Python. Now you can use this in your project. Let's say your Django project, your Flask project. Let's say you are based on GUI, Tkinter, PyQt5, anything you are doing. You can use this to send a mail to anyone. It's provided that you have the sender email and then you have the password. With Python you can do it. I'm going to provide the full code to this on my GitHub, and I'm going to put the link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all for now. If you did, please don't forget to like, please subscribe and press the notification button so you get notified when I release new videos. And if you have any question, drop it down in the comments. I'll be sure to answer our comments. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.